What do you got? Ooh, who's that for? Oh, I just dropped that. Did Dad say you could dig here?
We just like to dig here.
Did Dad say you could dig here?
We just like.
Oh, you just like to. Whoops. Are these all your tools?
Yeah.
That doesn't look like a tool. That looks like a dog toy. Look who's coming running. Is that for Barkley? Throw it for him, Noah.
No, or squeak it.
Or squeak it.
The pipe is so off, way off here. We don't allow here. We don't.
Okay, I gotta go catch Noah. He's going in the sandbox.
Put down forward.
A roller?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is a roller. Good job. Thinking about doing a little swimming? Barkley.
Where I want to put it. Let's put a new pipe in.
Oh, I see.
Do you want just
You're working really hard.
you see that one pipe I made?
Oh, that long line?
Yeah, it's just like it. Yeah, I made a little pond for it, so it can go. It can go. It pops into the moss. It keeps on going over here, and it pops up right here.
Okay.
Keep going
Yep.
over here. It pops up right here.
Okay.
It keeps going right here. And it goes right to the. It goes right to the house.
Oh, wow. Smart thinking, buddy.
You want pick it up?
He just wants to stay in the sandbox. What you doing to the tree?
Just pick him up.
Okay. You dropping stuff in the window well? Yeah.
Oh.
What is he working on here?
I'm gonna go. Yeah.
What's it?
A what?
Oh.
That's a what?
What you got?
A worm.
A worm?
Meh.
Did you find that when you're working on your pipes?
That's
Wow. Well, are you gonna put him back? Put him somewhere else?
I need one more to put down it with them.
Need a lawnmower?
Yes, I need. Dad, help me. Oh, worm again.
Another worm?
A big one.
Let's see. Oh, that is a big one.
Oh, it's moving. Mommy, you know where I'm gonna put him?
Where are you gonna put him?
Right here.
Okay.
Just go down here.
Oh, that's nice.
Where I put the other worm?
Okay. That's nice of you.
Huh?
That's nice of you.
For the worms? You know what? That helped me dig even better.
I don't think that's a digging tool, is it? What are you doing? Pulling the wagon? You missed a little bit. Ruh-roh.
Now it's all on my seat.
Now your seat's all dirty.
Yeah, I don't.
Now you're gonna have to dump the whole thing.
No.
What do you got? What's that? You got boots on?
Yeah.
Did you take your shoes off? He took his shoes off.
Yeah.
He took his shoes off to put on your boots. Okay. I guess you're gonna work in some boots, huh? And he's got them on the wrong feet. Silly. Those are your Paw Patrol boots. What? Those are Daddy's shoes.
I took my shoes off.
Those don't fit you. Those look a little big. I'm silly little baby. Boots? Yeah, are those boots? A roof? Driving with Dad's shoes? Those are Daddy's shoes. Okay, remember when Noah's on, we gotta go slow. Yeah, I see a big truck up there. Big truck?
One to off, two to off. Now, one, two, you have those and I have those. Okay, got it?
I don't think those fit you anymore, Mason.
Yes,
Whoa. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Got my other boots on.
Oh, you wear your fireman boots outside? Those are some cool boots, Mason. Mason, who'd you get those boots from?
From Grandma Brony.
That's right.
I got two grandmas.
You do have two grandmas.
Other people don't have two grandmas, just me.
Just you, okay.
Yes. So some
You're lucky.
yeah, and no, yucky too.
Yucky or lucky?
Yucky.
He's not yucky, he's lucky. Yep, he's lucky too. Are you driving? No, are you driving?
Yeah.
Oh boy, are you going fast?
Yeah.
What does the truck say? What sound does a truck make?
Making up a great put the sound. I know how to do it. I don't know. God.
Now you can't even get in, Mason.
I can't even get it. I need to go to the wall.
Bye, Noah.
Bye, Noah. Bye, Noah.